Hello, students. Welcome to First Step Coaching. From today onwards, we are going to start our new course on Sanskrit Grammar, where we will cover all the topics of grade 7 to grade 10 of CBSE board. As we all know, Sanskrit is one of the most ancient and most scientific language. So, being a scientific language, it has a lot of rules. But if we remember the rules properly, we are able to grasp it easily and then score very good marks. So, if you are a student from grade 7 to grade 10 and have taken Sanskrit as your subject, or even you are planning to take Sanskrit as one of your subject in the coming years, then this course is meant for you. In this course, we will learn all the basic concepts and fundamental rules of Sanskrit as a language, which will be very, very helpful to all of you. Now, let's have a look uh, at the topics which we are going to cover in this course. So, this is a list of topics which we are going to cover. Let's have a brief introduction to all the topics. So, our first topic will be Vard Vichar. Vard Vichar is the most basic topic of any language. So, word means the smallest unit of any script. Word is the smallest unit of any script. Like in English, we have alphabets A, B, C. The same way in Sanskrit, which is Devanagari script, we have swar and vyanjan, which are called as word. So, we will explore in detail the different aspects of word. Then comes our next topic, which is Sandhi. So, Sandhi is one of the most important topic in Sanskrit language as it is going to help us in reading the language. It will make our work very easy to read, and then if we are able to read the language properly, then we will be able to understand it nicely. In this, we are going to learn how we can split or join the words with the help of our knowledge of Swar, Vyanjan, and Visarg. Then comes our next topic, Shabd. Shabd means words and Roop means the form. So in this topic, we are going to learn the different forms of words, and those words can be your nouns, pronouns, adjectives, and how they can be written in different forms, and with every form they will get a different meaning. So it is going to be our first fundamental pillar for our language. Now, with Shabd Roop, the next topic comes at Dhatu Roop. Dhatu means verb, and Roop means again the forms. So, in Dhatu Roop, we are going to learn the form of verbs. So, with form of verbs, we will be learning the tenses also in Sanskrit. So, to tenses in Sanskrit, we call as Lakar. Lakar, we are going to learn Lat Lakar, Rit Lakar, Lang Lakar, Lot Lakar, Vidhiling Lakar, and so on. So, this is the second pillar for Sanskrit language. These two together are going to make the frame for our language. These are going to be your subjects and these are going to be your verbs. So, with the help of the subjects and verbs only, we will be able to make our sentences. Then comes Karak. Karak means cases in English. That is actually going to decide like with which vibhakti or with which karak, which form of verb should come. So this topic karak is related to Shabdroop only, which we are going to discuss in detail. This, with the help of Karak, we are going to frame the sentences, which is going to be very helpful. Then comes Upad Vibhakti. So, other than Karak, we have some specific words in Sanskrit which actually decide which Vibhakti should be used for which word. So, those words will be just like rules. You have to remember them so that it will be easy to frame the sentences. Then our next topic will be Sankhya-vachi Shabd. Sankhya means numbers. So every language has its pattern of writing the numbers. Like in English, we have 1, 2, 3 in words, and Roman numbers are there. And in every language, we will be having the pattern of numbers. So the same way in Sanskrit also, we have a specific set of words which are written as numbers. So it is one of the easiest topic we are going to have, and it will not take much of your time and you will be able to remember it for lifelong. Then comes Sarvanam. Sarvanam means pronouns. So, what are pronouns? Pronouns are the words which are used in the place of nouns. And pronouns is very vast topic in English, the same way it is in Sanskrit. So we are going to learn about different kind of pronouns in this topic like I, you, we, All of these Shabdrup we are going to learn in this. Now, our next topic in the course will be Avyay Shabd. So, what are Avyay Shabd? Avyay Shabd are the indeclinables. We call these words as indeclinable words in English. So, what are indeclinable words? So, indeclinable words are the words which do not change according to the number or gender of the subject in a sentence. Okay, so you can take an example of like Ram goes slowly, then next sentence you say Sita goes slowly, and then in the next sentence you say he goes slowly, she goes slowly. So we are seeing that the gender or the number of the subject is changing, but and the verb is also changing according to that. But what is not changing? The word slowly. So, like slowly, we have many words in Sanskrit which are called as avyay shabd, and we are going to learn about all of those words. Then our next topic is going to be pratyay. Pratyay means suffixes. So in English, we know what are suffixes. Suffixes are the words which are joined at the end of any other word. And if we join the suffix with any word, it changes the meaning of the main word. So there are going to be many pratyay in Sanskrit, and it is going to be again very important and very vast topic in Sanskrit. So we will explore it in too much of detail, and it will be useful for you for every grade. Then our next topic will come is samas. Samas means compound words. So what are compound words? Compound words are the words in English which when we are having two different words and two different meanings. Then when we join both of them, it will give you a new meaning. For example, you can take the word play means playing, and then you have the other word ground means it's a place. So if you join both of them, what it becomes? It becomes playground. So what do you mean by playground? Playground means a place where you can play. So by joining the two different words, you got a new word which is going to give you a different meaning. Then our next topic will be Vachya Parivartan. Vachya means the voice. Like we do in English, active voice and passive voice. The same way in Sanskrit also we have Vachya. We call it as Kartri Vachya, Karm Vachya and Bhav Vachya. So this also we are going to do it in detail. Now, next comes Samya Lekhanam. So, Samya Lekhanam is one of the most easy chapter in Sanskrit language, and it hardly takes 10 minutes, and it is going to be there with you for lifelong. This is one of the most scoring topic. Then comes an Anuvad. Anuvad means translation. So, what are we going to do in this topic? We are going to translate the sentences from Hindi or English to Sanskrit. So, in this, we will be using all our Karak, Upad, Vibhakti, Shabd Dhatu Roop, Vachya Parivartan, all the rules we are going to use to convert the sentences in Sanskrit. Now, the last topic will be our Ashuddhi Shodhan. So, Shuddhi Shodhan, Ashuddhi means impurities, means wrong things. So, basically, it is called as editing, correction. So, we will be actually correcting the mistakes in this topic in the given sentences. So, actually, it is going to be the test for whatever we have learned till now, what we'll be learning in during the full course. So that's all for today's introductory video. And you can comment me in the comment box if you want any other topic to be covered along with all these topics. And I'll see you in the next video with our first topic, in which we are going to explore the first topic, which is one which are in great detail. Thank you.